Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the camp ledger in Red Dead Redemption 2. To begin, locate the ledger near Dutch's tent in your gang's main camp. This vital book allows you to manage camp finances and initiate crucial upgrades. You'll need to contribute money to the camp fund, which is the first step towards improving your gang's living conditions and unlocking new features. It's a straightforward process that significantly impacts your gameplay experience. Once you've found the ledger, simply interact with it to open its interface. You'll see an option to contribute money to the camp fund. You can donate any amount you wish, from a few dollars to several hundred. Every dollar you contribute goes directly towards improving the camp, making it a more comfortable and functional home for your gang. Remember, these contributions are the backbone of all camp enhancements. After contributing, you can browse the available camp upgrades listed in the ledger. These range from improved provisions and better lodging to essential features like a fast travel map. Each upgrade has a specific cost, which is deducted from the camp fund. Choose wisely, as some upgrades, like the leather working tools, unlock crafting options, while others, like improved medical supplies, boost your gang's health. Prioritize what benefits you most. Investing in camp upgrades through the ledger offers numerous benefits. Improved provisions mean less time spent hunting and foraging, as your gang will have more food and supplies. Upgrading Dutch's lodging, for example, unlocks a fast travel map, saving you valuable time traversing the vast world. Better lodging for Arthur provides more tonics and ammunition, directly impacting your combat readiness. These enhancements make your camp a true sanctuary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.